and I completed MTech at NBKR, and I am a member of Institute of Engineers, and I am a member of Indian Society for Technical Education, and I am a certified solar chartered engineer, and I am an awardee of Teacher Research Fellowship CSIR Government of India. How are you? Good. So today I am going to give a small awareness program on electrical vehicles. It's like electric car and electric bike, and how to safeguard your family from electrical shocks, which is also called electrical safety measures. Okay. Now let us try to have an small interaction program with you. So do you know anything about electric bike and electric car? Do you know? Yeah, I think in Gudur itself we are having around 1000 electric bikes, right? So I would like to explain you what is the need of this electric bikes. So if you charge it, you can run for 60 kilometers maximum in the town if you buy. So maximum no one will drive more than 60 kilometers per day, and less than 4 hours, I mean less than 4 hours, you can make your battery full, like how we charge your mobile phone in 1 hour, you can make this electric bike full just by 4 hours. Okay. So of this electric car, already you are now studying 8th, 9th and 10th. Okay. So I would like to give a small information regarding how these electric vehicles are useful to us, how we can reduce global warming, how we can reduce the pollution, how we can reduce acid rains. Okay. So in order to make you the things clear, I will give some videos and few explanation on different components and my introduction. Let's try to go inside the concept. Okay. See here. So actually I would like to give an small clarity about. So already in the physics and chemistry your faculty has been given data about what is meant by carbon monoxide and how carbon monoxide will be converted into carbon dioxide, and how acid rains are formed. How acid rains are formed in the atmosphere due to burning of fossil fuels, due to burning of dust, due to burning of plastic, due to burning of this trees, automatically carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide is released into the air. It undergoes some oxidization and leads to the development of sulfuric acid. I think you know the formula of sulfuric acid. So all these will lead to acid rains. So acid rain comes. Okay, let's try to see some features of this electric bike. Okay, if you buy an electric bike, there is no need of any license. You no need to pay any license fees. Generally, if you buy this petrol, you have to pay around 5 to 10,000 as an license, and there is no need of registration. Okay, if you want this electric bike by today, you can directly purchase it by investing an amount of 50,000. So within 1 day, your vehicle gets registered on your name. So for normally for petrol or diesel, we have to we have to do registration by paying minimum 5,000. So here 5,000 we are saving, for license also 5,000 you are saving. How much you are saving? 10,000. And so I should not say these things. So those who are kids or the girl students or the boy students, so you don't require any license to drive these electric bikes. Okay, I'll show one electric bike. I hope you had seen this bike in Gudur also. Okay, so these bikes doesn't require any license. You don't need any license, and there's no need to pay for registration also. 10,000 rupees you have been saved. The government is providing subsidy if you buy these kind of electric bikes. And next one, the maximum speed these vehicles can drive is 40 kilometers per hour. So for example, safety point of view also this well designed. So in 40 kilometers per hour, no one will meet an accident, and there is no concept of death also. So if you buy the normal petrol or diesel, they will run with a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. In this speed, if you apply the brake, there is a chance of death. Are you able to get the logic? So they can't drive more than 40. Automatically, a safety feature is enabled. Okay, this is a main feature to purchase an electric bike. Next one, if you charge this electric bike, we can continuously run 60 kilometers. Okay, that's why I told just 20 paisa. Okay, by invest much, just 40. In 40 no one will die. If you have a helmet, there is no chance of death. Okay, there is one more advantage. Next advantage is, so if you charge it, you can run for 60 kilometers maximum in the town if you buy. So maximum no one will drive more than 60 kilometers per day, and less than 4 hours, I mean less than 4 hours, you can make your battery full. Like how we charge your mobile phone in 1 hour, you can make this electric bike full just by 4 hours. Okay, so and cost wise also it is high cost or low cost? Low cost, around 50% or 60% we have been saved. Rather than investing 1,20,000, just we invested how much? 50,000. So we saved lot of thing into our pocket. Okay, and the running cost is only 20 paisa. Now I will explain you the economics. Is it really worth of buying an electric bike or not? Okay, an normal car. Now we are going to see some basics how to use an electric car or electric bike. So when you use this type of car, so already you know how to charge your mobile phone. So similarly you can charge your car also. Automatically there is no pollution. Okay, how comfortably you are using your mobile phone, like that comfortably you can use your car also. Okay, like this, if you use this type of cars or this kind of bikes, there is no nitrogen oxide production, there is no nitrogen dioxide production, there is no sulfuric acid production, there is no concept of global warming, there is no concept of petrol or diesel. So you can see the cost of petrol and diesel. Okay, so it is too aggressive. What is the cost of petrol? Anyone knows? 120, which is too costly. Okay, and the running cost with this petrol or diesel is approximately 2 kilometers. Sorry, it is approximately 2 rupees per kilometer. It's very costly. But when you use an electric car or electric bus, is just only 20 paisa per kilometer. Around 1 by 10th the cost is reduced. Okay, so I will give an some few insights of an normal electric bike or car. Okay, now let us try to go into a small theme. Everyone just see, just watch the video. You see here, without voice, automatically sunroof will open. Okay, you see here, this is the beauty of electric cars.
ఏదైతే నేటివిటీ జస్ట్ నేను పక్కన ఉండి నీతో ఎలా మాట్లాడతారో అలాగే మీరు మీ కార్తో మాట్లాడుకోవచ్చు. మీరు మీ వాయిస్ కమాండ్ తీసుకుంటుంది, మీకు స్పందిస్తుంది కూడా. మీరే లైవ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూసుకోండి.
So the software ఎలా design this electric bike of your own, right? That's why you have to study the basics. You may ask, sir, why we want to study the 6th, 7th, all this physics? So for example, I want to construct a 11th floor. First what I have to construct? Directly can I construct 11th floor? No. So first what I have to construct? I have to construct pillar. From where the pillars are? 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th are pillars. If the pillars are very strong, then automatically the output is what? You can design an electric bike. If you are not studying well here in 6th and 7th, then automatically you can't do your engineering. So after when you get an age of 25, directly can you construct 30th floor? Not possible. Why? Because you don't have this fundamentals. So if you understand this current electricity very clearly, then you can start studying electrical engineering. When you start studying electrical engineering, you can start designing this of your own. So the company who is running this electric bike showroom is just studied only 10th class. What he has studied? Only 10th class, and he is running that company, right? So that's what the things, if you understand the nature, what actually we require. Okay, so this is the bike which is available in our Gudur. This bike I think you had seen on the roads in Gudur. Okay, this bike is now available at Gudur showroom itself. So this is manufactured at where? Gudur itself, not somewhere at Delhi or not somewhere at some other countries. Where it is manufactured? In Gudur itself. Okay, spare parts we are getting imported from Nellore. Okay, and you can see this is also an Ninja bike. Okay, Ninja electric bike. So I think this is very popular for you. What is this? Ola cars, Ola bikes. Just for 40,000 or 45,000 you can get this electric Ola bike. Okay, so this is also very popular. So I think had you seen this kind of bikes? So you will ask one doubt, sir, how to identify an electric bike or how to identify an petrol bike? Very simple. Okay. So I will say a small example. My kid is also studying in the same school. Do you know? Okay. So my kid is just studying only UKG. If I travel her with the bike, she can identify whether it is a normal bike or an electric bike. So just to identify, nothing is required. Okay. Just a green color board will be there, and it has a red color light all the time flashing. So you can see the board or the type of board you have, green color board with white letters. Then you can confirm that what is the type of bike. So indirectly they are aware of the things, how to save the money, how to reduce the pollution. So theme why I came here is how to protect our environment. So if you have an electric bike, this air will be very green. Automatically you can consume the 100% useful oxygen. So when you got COVID, there is no availability of fresh air. So we used to have the mask, used to have the carbon dioxide, I mean oxygen cylinders. Okay, so that's what the same problem now the Delhi is facing. So if you use more petrol and diesel, what will happen? You should also buy an oxygen cylinder and you have to travel with you. So those kind of situation will come when you use this petrol or diesel bikes. Okay, so this is the importance of electric bikes. Let's try to have a small review. So I will show you an small welcome. So directly insert into the port. So this is an AC charger. Directly you can pin into the charger. Automatically it will show the charger is connected and you can remove it. And it comes with combined charging station CCS2. You can see here, this is AC charging port, this is DC charging port. You can charge our Tata car. So this comes with AC as well as DC. So you can have a charging of 40 kilowatt charger in a time of 40 minutes. You can make this battery full. So coming to the battery capacity, so the battery is provided here. The capacity of the battery is, so you can see here at the base it is provided with 55 kilowatt charging. So per single charge, this electric vehicle consumes 55 units. I mean, if you take per unit cost is 10 rupees. To charge this electric vehicle, a full charge 550 rupees is required. The running cost is 1 rupee per kilometer, approximately 95 paisa per kilometer. That's why this is one of the best sold electric vehicle. This Tata Nexon EV is powered by Gypron technology, which has high energy density. And you can see here, this model has multiple features. This is you see the features. Endurance A plus grade. You can see here, the model is curved. So we have multiple ways of opening the boot space. So how to open the boot space? You can do manually and a gesture based. Okay. So you can have a gesture based opening. So that will be demonstrated by the showroom. How to open it by using an hand leg gesture. You see that you see by using your leg, automatic door opens. Automatically it will open. Okay. So you see here, automatically gets open, and you have the manual control.